Welcome back to the channel for another install on our 22 WRX. Today we're going to be installing some Whiteline bushings. They're the positive shift kit. They do go on the transmission Crossmember, and we are going to be underneath the car today. If you stay till the end of the video, we'll talk a little bit more about some of the stuff I got over there. I know it's been a week or so since we posted the last video. It does take time to get some parts. This is a new car, and everyone knows it's hard to get parts right now, so it just takes time for stuff to come out. So please be patient as some of these parts come in. I will make videos as they come in. Obviously, you can see I've been gathering some parts in the back, and we have more coming. So we'll go over that at the end of the video. And we're back at the bench here, and you can see we have our Whiteline bushings here. Here's the part number, KDT 901. Inside it did come with just some pages of instructions. These are not the instructions for a 2022. These bushings fit a bunch of different years, and this is like the same Crossmember that's been on, probably for at least a decade. So let's open it up and I'll show you guys what's inside. So there are two sets of bushings, so they are labeled. I don't know if the camera will pick up, but this one has an A on it. This one has a B. This one also has an A. This is a C, so A, B, C. So you can see the A's have like that lip. The B is super thick. And the C is a little bit thinner, but doesn't have that this lip on it. So in the instructions, it tells you exactly where they go. I think when I looked it up before, I think the A's pair with the B's and C's. So A goes to the C and then A goes to B. But we'll go over which ones go where once we're underneath the car. So once you get the car jacked up and you're underneath it, this is our transmission Crossmember. So we're going to be replacing the front bushing and this rear bushing. You can see just I can just push it, and once we take it off, we'll see how flimsy it is. But we're going to work on the first one first, this front one. So we have 1, 2 to take out, another one up there, another bolt. So I think this is 2 14s right here, and that one is a 17 on each side. So it's that one right here. So it's just a little extension. So super easy to get to. So let me loosen this up and we'll take a look at this bushing and we'll swap it out. I think we gotta leave it loose to get to this one. So we'll start with this and we'll work our way back. All right, back over at the bench, we just got the front bushing taken off. I do have the instructions up here. It does say A and C, which are these top ones. So this is the one that was sitting down, and this was sandwiched underneath it. So just by looking at the stock one, it has that lip on it, so that matches up with the A that we got. And this skinny looking one, it's has a little taper on it that also matches the C bushing. So that's labeled C. So that's good that the OEM looks exactly like these bushings, and you can see how flimsy these are. With just 2 fingers, the whole thing just and then this thing, it is a rock. So, this is definitely going to have some sort of improvement, just since you can clearly see it is stiffer. So it's supposed to help with shift feel and just make it firm everything up a little bit. So let's get these swapped out and let's get these put back under the car, and we'll move on to the rears. All right, so I just went ahead and time-lapsed through the back one after we put the front one back in. The fat bushing went on top, and the one that had that lip on it went right here. It was just super obvious, so I just time-lapsed right through it since, I mean, one bushing was like super thick and one had that lip on it, so very easy. So obviously you saw we just loosened it down, put everything back up, and then I did torque everything off camera to make sure everything's perfect. So other than that, we should be all set with this quick little install. So let's go over to the other side of the garage and I'll show you what we got going on. So before I show you what we got over in the corner over here, this is just like this is that fat bushing. Look how just like, I mean, literally you can just like fold them over like no effort. Oh, that one just went flying. But literally just no effort, they just like fold right over. So shout out to Whiteline, definitely an improvement. KDT 901, let's get it. So over here, you can see we have a whole set of Kansai wheels. We have some Sims control arms and toe arms, some Mutegi lug nuts, and some Torque Solution valve stems. So that's to use so I'm going to swap these tires over and use the factory TPMSs. So that lets me use the TPMSs so I don't get that pesky light on the dash. But I'm not going to reveal what wheels these are yet, but they're 18 by 9.5 plus 38. So I know everyone knows they have a couple sets. So comment below of what wheels you think we're going to be putting on this car. I did do a little test fit. I mean, it's going to be nice and flush. So with the camber arms and toe arms, we're going to be able to align the back perfectly, make sure we have zero toe. The only reason why I haven't put these on yet is because I'm waiting on the coilovers from Fortunato. I did order them right when they were released. I did talk to them today and they should be shipping in about 2 weeks. So I didn't want to put these on with the stock ride height because I wanted to just like make it look really good right off the get-go. So that's why I'm going to need both these, because the rear you cannot align stock. So you definitely need to get the control arms for camber, and the toe arms help get the toe back perfect. That's all I got for you guys on this one. So we have more to come, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. Let's get it.